Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Airdrop feature on your iPhone. So, in the first step, if you want to receive the Airdrop files, go to the settings, choose General, and tap on the Airdrop. Now just choose the contacts only or for everyone for 10 minutes. And now you should be visible for other devices with Airdrop. Now, if you want to send the files by the Airdrop, like photos, open your gallery, choose the photo, and tap on the share icon. Now tap on the Airdrop, and wait for the devices on this list. If you want to send it, just tap on it, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.